Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be taking care of a small problem that is cropped up for our winter veg crop. A small problem? Really? Really? Are you sure it's not because you're a bad gardener? No, it doesn't mean I'm a bad gardener. Okay, what it does mean is that we have had a new pest and a different type of pest than we have had in previous years. Now, that does not mean that I am a bad gardener. That does not mean that you are a bad gardener. The good news is that we have a way of doing something that is sustainable, something that is easy, and something that's going to help prevent the pests and maybe even help prevent the pests going into spring. And that trick is going to be this. The trick is going to be adding some lime. So not only does this act as an insect repellent, but it is completely and utterly safe for organic gardening, as well as being beneficial for our soil health. So lime will actually get in there and add a little bit of extra nutrition down into the soil. Basically, the lime does everything that a de-earth does, but without the problems of de-earth. So anytime de-earth comes into contact with any type of moisture, it deactivates. Lime is going to give you all of the benefits and all of the bug repellent of de-earth without the deactivation. So we're going to go on ahead, we're going to spread this in here, and then we're going to top it off with some nice garden straw just to help keep the roots warm on all of our cabbage crop. All right, so I'm going to put you on hyperlapse and we'll see you back in a bit. Okay guys, so this lime, I'm going to go on ahead and add this on here, is not a slate lime. Okay, so this is a citrate lime. I'm not going to be able to pronounce it correctly, but basically it is in the calcium citrate category, which is what makes it completely and utterly safe for your animals as well as your children. So when you're purchasing, make sure that you're getting one that is perfect for organic gardening and not just a lime cleaner. There is a major difference. Now, we've gotten this done. This is the bulk of the video, believe it or not. Like I said, gardening in the fall and winter is super, super easy, and it's really, really enjoyable, especially if you are just looking to enjoy being in the garden space and growing something. And that's what makes it perfect for new beginners. So that's all I've got for you. In case you didn't know, I am currently developing a guide that teaches you all about soil fertility and breaks it down for you so that you can build the best, the most healthy, thriving soil so you can grow any time of year with really, really great high yields. I would love for you to join our wait list. I'm going to go on ahead and I'm going to drop a link down below. So go on ahead and sign up there. You will get early bird access. You will also get early bird pricing. So yeah, win-win, okay? Go on ahead and join the wait list. No, we're not going to spam you, I promise. So just go on ahead and fill out that link down below. I am also going to be including a fall video here at the end for you to check out and get a little bit more of an idea of what you can grow during the fall season. As always, guys, keep it simple, natural, and essential. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.